How to customize Shopify Studio theme footer. Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Shopify's Studio themes footer. So in order to do this, you'll have to first of all navigate to a browser. And after opening your browser, you'll have to go to the search bar and type in Shopify login. Then click on Welcome to Shopify and log into Shopify using your user credentials. So after logging into your Shopify store, you'll have to simply click on the online store button that you see in the dashboard, then click on themes. So when you click on themes, you'll be promoted to your online store's theme page. Here, you can simply view all the themes that you would have under your theme library. So if you want to edit the footer of a Studio theme, you'll have to click on Customize just after Studio. Make sure that Studio is set as the current theme, then click on Customize. After you click on Customize, you'll be promoted to this editing page. Here, you'll see on the left side, you have header, template, and footer. So in the last section of this column, you will see the footer page. On this footer page, you have an email sign up and footer. So you'll have to click on footer. You can choose the color scheme for your footer. Click on change and choose another color scheme. Now click on edit, then select background and choose any color that you want for your footer. For example, if you want green, you can choose green and place this circle anywhere around this to select the gradient. Now cut this out and now you can also choose a background gradient. So click on background gradient and you can choose a gradient to begin the editing. So I'm selecting this gradient. So it's looking perfect. Now I will go back and when you click on text, you can choose the color of your text that will be in your footer. So I want all the text that will be inside my footer to be blue. So I will click on blue. Now if I place any text in this footer, it will appear blue. Now cut this out. And after choosing the color scheme of your footer, you have the option to show an email sign up. So if you check this box, it will show up an email sign up button under footer. But we already have this email sign up just above our footer. So we will uncheck this box. If you want to show it, you can check this box and also you can edit this text that is subscribe to our emails. You can edit this text anything that you want and that will appear the same as whatever you'd have written in this area. So we are not going to choose this, so uncheck this box. Now if you scroll down, you can enable follow on shop. You can show social media icons and if you don't want to show it, simply uncheck this box. You can enable the country or region selector and you can also enable the language selector. So if you want to enable it, just simply check this box. If you don't want it, simply uncheck this box and that will not appear under your footer. Now we have the payment methods. If you want to show the payment icons that will be available for your store, you can check this box and as you can see, the PayPal icon is showing under my footer. If I'd want to remove this from my footer, I will simply uncheck this box and now nothing is inside my footer. I can now choose the spacing, I can do the padding, do the bottom padding of my footer and now I can go back and I can also add a block just under my footer. For example, if I click on this add block icon that you see under the footer, you'll have the option to add menu, brand information, text and image. For example, if I would want to add the menu navigation bar under my footer, I will select menu. And as you can see, the quick links, privacy policy and refund policy can be seen under this menu. Add another section to add to your footer and choose if you want an email sign up or not. You can also choose apps and if you would want to edit the footer, you can click on it and edit the footer on this page and select all of these settings according to your preference. So that's the simple way to edit or customize your Shopify Studio themes footer. Hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.